may meeting, punta kayo, you don't need a licensed social worker to do that, alright? So anyway, you know already, you look into the factors in the person. Now, in addition to look at this, kasi kung minsan wala dito ang problema nandito, right? The child is not performing well in school, is very timid, looks disturbed, ibang-iba. Maybe because the child is being is the victim of favoritism. Yung tatay siguro, pulis. Ang gusto niya, ayaw niya ng anak na babae, gusto niya mga lalaking anak. Di ba? Ang anak niya, 4 na babae, isa lang ang lalaki. Tapos pinipilit niyang asawa niya, kailangan magbuntis ulit kasi gusto niya maraming lalaki. So there's a family problem there. So that can result. O yung dito naman yung sinasabi ko sa inyong poverty-stricken husbands, fishermen or farmers, poverty cannot support the family. So ang problema nito is lack of financial support because of the situation in the family, right? So yun na lang, titingnan ninyo. So what factors here naman? Factors here could be problems in the situation can include lack of opportunities. A farmer may want to give up na farming. 30 years na siyang nagfa-farm, pero meron naman siyang ibang skill. Gusto niyang matuto para walang opportunity. There is no test na there in the